Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to Look Gorgeous. I hope that you guys like my eyeshadow look today. And if in case you do, then let me tell you guys that I have created this using this beautiful Swiss Beauty Iconic Baked Eyeshadow Palette. Hi everyone, I'm Vartika and you are watching me on Look Gorgeous channel. If in case you want to buy this product and other affordable makeup products in India, then definitely check the description. You can buy it from my Instagram store or through using your WhatsApp. You can do that. आप खरीद सकते हैं अपने Instagram store से या फिर WhatsApp के जरिए मुझसे अफोर्डेबल मेकअप इंडिया में. आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपको रिव्यू करके दिखाने वाली हूँ Swiss Beauty Iconic Baked Eyeshadow Palette जो कि शेड नंबर 02 में है और साथ के साथ मैं swatches भी दिखाऊंगी आपको इस वीडियो में. So let's just start it. You basically get intense pigmentation whenever you use a baked eyeshadow or a blush. So basically it just has those beautiful baked eyeshadows and you get 10 eyeshadows, which is definitely a great thing. And the price of the palette is rupees 425, which is decent enough for the beautiful colors you are getting and for the beautiful pigmentation quality and staying power you get. It just stays put on your eyelids when you set it up with a makeup fixer for almost all day long. And it is not tested on animals. ये animals पर टेस्ट नहीं किया गया है, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. ये ऑलमोस्ट पूरा दिन आपके आंखों पर लगा रहता है. बहुत ही अच्छे कलर्स हैं इसमें. 10 आई शेडो के कलर्स आपको मिलते हैं, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ है. अगर आपको एक सटल सा पिगमेंटेशन चाहिए है तो आप ज़रा सा इस तरह से लगा लीजिए. वैसे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड है, बट ज़रा सा लगा लीजिए एंड हल्का सा लगाएंगे, थोड़ा सा ब्लेंड करेंगे तो आपको कुछ इस तरह का एक सिंपल हाईलाइटर टाइप का पिगमेंटेशन मिलेगा. आप इस कलर को डेफिनेटली अपने हाइलाइटर की तरह से यूज कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज ये बहुत ही प्यारा एक वेट लुक आपको देता है. इट जस्ट गिव्स यू ब्यूटीफुल वेट लुक, जस्ट लाइक you get by using your highlighters if your highlighter is of good quality. So you can use this shade for highlighter thing as well. And there are browns as well, which will can be used as bronzers as well, so which is a great thing, and pinkish shades which can be used as blushes as well. So it is kind of a multi-purpose palette, and that's the thing that I like about it the most. And it also comes with an eyeshadow applicator as well, which just fell somewhere here, so let's not get into the details of that brush. By the way, the colors are beautiful. Like you get this first color, it's a white gold kind of color with that luminosity. And if you want intense pigmentation, अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा pigmentation चाहिए, अपने brush से हल्का सा उसको आप break करेंगे ना, like I did this one, तो वो बहुत extreme आपको pigmentation देगा. ठीक है, so हम start करते हैं. Like look at the color. It is such a pretty white gold color. It just looks stunning. It just gives that natural subtle kind of look when you apply it on your eyelids, because it is such a pretty color. Now let's see the second shade. It's a nice rose gold kind of color. It's a very pretty rose gold kind of color. Pink shimmers, gold shimmers it has, and it's stunning for sure. Like look at it. With just one swipe you get this intense pigmentation. And the next color that I have is this one, and it is a pinkish kind of color, very similar to the earlier one. And my fingers are getting dirty, so color is not showing up properly. So it's a bronzish kind of color, and these colors look subtle and they look matte if you apply them as it is, but whenever you wet your brush with a makeup fixer like that of Kiss Beauty Green Tea, or you can just wet it by a little bit of rose water as well, or you can simply apply it a little bit of concealer as well, and then you will get this type of beautiful pigmentation. So that's the great thing about it, that if you use little you can get the matte look, and if you use that watery kind of thing with it, you will get this much intense pigmentation. So I just love that fact about it. तो बेसिकली आपको ऐसे सारे शेड्स मिल जाएंगे, जिससे कि आपका हाइलाइटर का काम भी हो जाएगा, ब्लशर का काम भी हो जाएगा, साथ में आपका ब्रॉन्जर का काम भी हो जाएगा. सो द पैलेट हैज़ ऑल द शेड्स विच कैन बी यूज्ड एज हाइलाइटर, blushes and bronzers. This beautiful golden shade is just like the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and you'll just get everything you need for your face makeup basically. And for eyeshadows, obviously all the colors are stunning undoubtedly. अब बात करते हैं कि अगर आप इसको ख़रीदना चाहते हैं देन हाउ यू कैन बाय इट. द पैलेट इज़ फॉर 425 रुपीज़, क्वाइट अफोर्डेबल. 425 रुपये का है, अफोर्डेबल है. शिपिंग चार्जेस आपका थोड़ा सा लगेगा. अगर आप ख़रीदना चाहते हैं देन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में सभी डिटेल्स हैं कि आप किस तरह से ख़रीद सकते हैं. वीडियो के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन होगा, आप उसको चेक कर लीजिए अच्छे से अगर आप इसको ख़रीदना चाहते हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय देन प्लीज़ चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स डाउन देयर. एंड द पैलेट इज़ नाइस एंड अफोर्डेबल. एंड इफ़ इन केस you want to watch more such videos, then like the video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.